everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about TOEFL exam prep. Maybe you feel like your exam preparation is like this foggy road, like you're driving down this road, you can't see any kind of clear direction and it feels really disorganized. So I'm here today to give you some direction, and I'm going to give you a planner that will help you set your priorities with your study routine and motivate you, right, to get the score that you need to go to the university of your dreams. So, what does this planner have? Well, it has the cover page, and then the best part of this planner is like the goals. You're going to set your goals for the test. You could write down like previous scores that you've had on test, and then what your goal is for the future test that you will take on a set date. What do you want to get in listening, reading, writing, and speaking? And then please write down the big kind of prize. What will this allow you to do? Like I've shared with you so many times, my student Lara was able to get into Stanford and is now entering the Stanford program because she finally achieved a score over 100. And we worked together for over a month, and it was outstanding how the goal, that big goal, and it was like a mindset issue because she was so close, so close. And really, just her focus on that big goal is what I think helped her get into Stanford. Now, here's the monthly study planner. It's nice to see the big picture, write down any holidays, any key dates that you need to have on your calendar. This is the weekly study planner, also geared towards goals and overall motivational visions for the future. This is the daily study planner, which I absolutely love. So this is a PDF. You would print it out, and then you would calculate how many pages you would need. Most students need at least 3 months to prepare for the TOEFL. Of course, it depends on what level you have and where you are with your language level right now. Okay, if you send me an email or get in touch with me, then I do provide a free level exam so that you can see where you're scoring in reading, listening, writing, and grammar and speaking, for example. So I can give you that, and you can kind of get a sense of, where you are. Now, what I love about the daily study planner is that you can write down your top 3 study priorities. A tip: you need to focus on a key skill for that day that you want to develop. Be specific about it, okay? Don't just write down study TOEFL for 25 minutes. That's really not so clear. Maybe you could say, okay, I'm going to work on the introductory paragraph in my independent essay. Okay, on Monday, that's what I would be doing, and you could set that up and write it down the night before in your study planner so you know what you're doing the next day, okay? Another thing you could say, okay, I'm going to work on the vocabulary questions in the reading section. And so you're really focused on those types of questions in particular. You're expanding your vocabulary, you're writing those words down in your vocabulary tracker. Okay, so that's a great study priority for a day. Or also, you want to improve your speaking fluency using transition words on the speaking exam. So those are some examples of really specific study priorities. You could, depending on how much time you have, you could break it up and do speaking on Monday. On Tuesday, you could do writing. On Wednesday, reading, right? If you have large blocks of time, then you could break up the skills and do similar skills on the same day. Okay, so I also use planners that have agenda trackers with the exact time, so you can follow a routine. Maybe you want to make sure you have healthy habits in your day so that allow you to study effectively. Now, why did I put move and connect over here? Because you want to make sure you're taking breaks. You want to make sure that you have enough time dedicated to movement, to physical activity, and then also that you're drinking water, you're staying healthy, right? You're nourishing yourself with healthy food, for example. And then down here, you can track your top priorities, A, B, C. A would be like top priority. B, you could move, if you don't get something on the B list done, you could move it to tomorrow up here, okay?